Let's learn about jungle animals.
Look, kids! This is a rhino. Rhino is a jungle animal. Isn't he the coolest?
Hello, kids. This is a panda. Panda. Panda eats bamboo. Nom nom. And lives in the jungle. Yeah. Look, the turtle is coming out of the water. Ah! It's walking on the land. Wow, it's so big. Look, a friendly crocodile. Hello there, Mr. Crocodile. Look, a hippo. He loves the water. Splash, splash, splash. Now we learn about farm animals, like duck, goat, donkey, and turkey. This is a goat. Eat your leaves, little goat.
Hi, butterflies. This is Donkey. Donkey helps farmers. Donkey lives on farms. Turkey walks slowly.
Wow, a turkey. Turkey is a farm animal. Hi, turkey.
Quack, quack. Ducks live on farms. Oh, hey, you. Quack, quack. Look at the ducks.
Great job, kids. See you next time on Mini Minds.
Bye-bye.